I'm going to be drilling a big old hole right here. I'm gonna do my best not to put a hole in my foot.
No, no! Ah, no! Ow!
We did it, no thanks to you.
Still wanna be a farmer, baby?
Oh yeah. Turn this goat house into a goat house with a 1-car garage. So as we said, this was a temporary fence, and it's obviously not the most stable thing you've ever seen. We're having to use bungee cords and chains to secure it so that, the curious little babies don't wind up getting out. So Jim here has been nice enough to lend us his auger. I just found out what an auger even is about 2 minutes ago. They said an auger was coming, and I had no idea what that was. So naturally, I'm gonna go right into using it for the first time with hardly any preparation. I've been informed that you press this button, and then you press this button. Uh-oh, fail. Fail already, Jim. Help!
Power on? Is it pause?
That always helps. That always helps. I didn't plug it in myself, so that's not my fault. So it always helps to make sure that your auger is plugged in before you try to use it. I'm going to be drilling a big old hole right here to get a post in so we can make it a lot more secure and not have to worry about the wonkiness of this one. Now that my excellent helpers have got the babies out of the way, I'm gonna do my best not to put a hole in my foot. I've been instructed to push the button, press the trigger, and hold on. So I'm gonna do my best. Just want to make sure that doesn't go at like an angle. Come here. Does that look straight, or is it gonna go in at an angle there?
It's fine.
Yeah?
You can always straighten the post up.
Okay.
Mary. Okay.
Yep, hitting the metal.
Come on, come on. Come on, baby. No! No!
Babies.
Mary!
I don't like herding goats. There you go.
I think that's about deep enough.
No, keep going. Oh, you get something. Just pull it back out.
Okay.
Oh, I think you might be hitting the rock. Oh, root.
Yeah, not kidding about this hold on thing.
That might be as far as you're going to go down.
All right.
Pretty girl.
Not bad, not bad. Let's see if that's some dirt. There's a rock down there somewhere.
No.
Yeah, big old rock down there. Yeah. Well, it is what it is. It's a good foot. Okay. Okay. Do as I command.
Well, like they're bored in some way.
Could be deeper. I think it's a little shallower than this one, but I don't know. I feel like that suffices now. What do you think?
As long as the post stays in place, that's all you really care.
Yeah, that's all you need, right? Okay. Well, boom. Done it. Listen it up for you.
Do it. I'm going to take this one out a little more.
Sure. So you gotta mean it. I also don't want to break his auger.
There you go.
There you go.
That's be deep enough.
No. Nice. Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Mary, get out.
Oh no. Come here.
No.
Hiya.
No.
Come here, you. You can't escape me. No.
This is so chunky. No, no. Festively plump.
No.
Mary, Mary, Mary. Mary.
Nope.
Come on.
What does he want out
Here,
here?
Mary. You're not going anywhere.
Ouch. His horns would hurt. No.
I'm not hurting goats.
See it to help babies.
Ah, look.
Yum, 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 yum.
Ow. Look at him chewing on it. He's like, that tastes delicious. Dude,
So we can take this.
my
apart.
hair is not hit. Okay, so right here.
Baby goes.
Just like that.
Oh, that's awesome. Whoop, till now.
That's it.
So I'm lining it up with
That little mark.
the middle, like that, or just like that?
Yep.
Oh, with that.
That's your blade right here. The middle.
Mm-hmm.
Figure your blade's going to be right there on this mark.
Ah, Okay.
This little
That
right
little
there.
notch.
That little notch.
Okay.
Not quite to the end, but there you go.
There you go.
Very soft wood.
Yeah.
The easiest wood we've screwed into.
Some pine.
I like it.
Got them all?
Thoroughly hinged.
That might work.
There we go. Still goes perfect.
Nice. Nice.
All right.
Boom diggity.
Push this one that way. Now you can do what you need to do. There you go. Put another one towards the bottom somewhere. Okay.
Oh,
now-
missed.
There you go.
This is okay.
So now I'm going to pull the bottom. Okay, and try to get as much as you can straight there.
Just keep going under
Yeah,
the board
no, I
here.
do not want
Hold
to
on.
staple my goat.
Nope. Ideally.
Yay.
Huzzah!
They're not going anywhere.
And we did it. No thanks to you.
Project, and I need to cut with the circular saw that big piece of wood.
Oh, don't forget to staple the middle of this.
Yeah, I put staples in the gun bar.
Oh, okay.
It'll just reinforce it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Big trouble there?
Yes. Yes, I am. Okay.
Oh, that's hard wood, man.
Oh, yes. There you go. Hey. Would you look at that? Nope. Nice try. Fail. Now they're all out. Come on. Get your face in there.
That's Mary's something else.
Sit, sit. Can you hold that for me?
Yes, I can.
You.
You hungry? I combed you and look at you now.
That's it. Now you get curled. Ugh. Yeah.
Teddy! Teddy!
Thank you very much.
Teddy!
Kenny, knock it off.
I'll take you with me.
It's so easy.
Yeah. Come on, Teddy. Excuse me.
Well. Pretty solid first couple attempts. Glad it wasn't just me.
Still want to be a farmer, baby?
Oh yeah. More than ever.
Well, I think we did a solid job making a little side stable here. Just another spot for the goats to stay warm. I think because the babies are used to sleeping inside, that's where they will go. And I think Poppy will find herself in this little nook. And either way, it's just a good thing to have an extra spot that's away from the elements and keeps them dry and maybe a little warmer than the alternative. So we're gonna line some nice hay down there for her. We're gonna get them fed and
Almost ready, babies.
That's nice.
Turn this goat house into a goat house with a one-car garage. I feel pretty good about that. Well, don't everyone jump at once. I know you're eating, but I'd like you to try out the new little goat house we have in here. There you go. Woo!
oh, you wag your tail.
Is that nice? Okay, great. Anyway, where was it? Yas, puppy. Yas!